kadai ke kam ram ke jonga ban penbena.
Residents of Block 2, an area along the interstate border between Meghalaya and Assam, have expressed serious concerns about the inadequate educational facilities in their villages. Many students are reportedly dropping out from their studies due to the lack of quality schools. A public meeting was convened by the local MLA of Mauhati constituency, Charles Marngar, at Umlaper village to address the issue yesterday. Attended by village leaders, youth, teachers and parents, the meeting highlighted the absence of adequate school institutions in the region and the need for better educational infrastructure provided by the Meghalaya government.
Education Minister, but aduk mentang yang ngeyam, dia respon dengan kalian ngomong. Umbalong mentang, baru kini school kimpat dan school building. Kini kebadan home loper mentaru, kadai ke ying dorbar, but pelong school hangi. Dia baru higis ni kisendiri higis nong kimpat dan school building and infrastructure kimpat dan. Kita kalian juga mentang kesengi lah sim yang karai, bah lakum no kat balang. Nanya kun sitam ban penyo man mari way school building nak mentang ini kita peliki.